In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Workshop on Steam. The Steam Workshop is where creators share mods, maps, skins, and other community-made content for supported games. Even if you're just exploring what's possible, knowing exactly how to get to each game's workshop will save you time and keep everything organized. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer and signing into your account so you land on the Steam homepage. If Steam prompts you to update, let it finish first. Running the latest version helps pages load correctly. Once you're signed in, you're ready to navigate to the games you own. Along the top of the Steam window, click the Library tab. Your library shows every game you own or have access to, and it's the quickest place to check whether a specific title offers workshop support. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the game you have in mind. Select a game that supports workshop. You'll typically see a workshop button on the game's library page if it's supported. If you're unsure, you can also open the Game Store page and look for workshop information in the Details section or the Community Hub area. Not all games include workshop, so this confirmation is useful. To enter the workshop for that game, click the Workshop button on its library page. As an alternative path, you can go to the Community tab at the top of Steam, choose Workshop, and then search for the game from there. Both routes take you to the same destination, the game's dedicated workshop hub. Once you're in the workshop, take a moment to browse. Use the search box to look for specific keywords, or filter and sort by categories like most popular, most subscribed, top rated, or most recent. Opening an items page lets you read its description, check requirements, see screenshots or videos, and read comments from other players. Tags and time range filters are great for narrowing down big catalogs, and the discussion sections help you gauge compatibility and quality before you explore further. That's all you need to access the workshop on Steam and start exploring community creations for your favorite games. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.